I'm Apple. Nice to meet you. I'm crunchy and sweet, perfect for a healthy treat.
I'm the one and only banana, a great source of energy. No banana nana. We're the little blue wonders, blueberries by name. In muffins or yogurt, we add a touch of fame.
I'm the fuzzy friend with a juicy center. I'm PEACH, perfect for pies, cobblers, or just eating fresh without a hit.
I'm the sunshine fruit bursting with vitamin C, EFRUIT, a citrusy treat for you and me.
I'm the teardrop-shaped treat, sweet and crisp to the bite. I'm PEAR, a yummy snack. I come in many colors, green, red, or black. I'm the delicious GRAP, enjoyed as a snack. The fuzzy green friend with black seeds inside, with a tangy and sweet flavor, a taste you can't hide. Pineapple. I'm the spiky-haired friend with a golden crown and a sweet and tangy flavor that makes you want to shout. Mango. I'm the king of tropical fruits with sweet and juicy flesh and a delicious taste you can't resist. Fig. I'm the tiny fruit that packs a punch, perfect for drying or eating fresh for lunch. Dragon fruit. I come in pink, red, or white with a sweet and crunchy bite. Lemon. I'm the sunshine fruit, sour and bright, perfect for adding zest or making lemonade just right. Fruits aren't just a delicious treat. They're a fun and powerful way to keep your body feeling fantastic. So ditch the dull and embrace the exciting world of fruits. Every bite is an adventure in delicious health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.